We are here on the beautiful National Mall looking at our newest protected bike lane project, which runs on 4th Street Southwest from Madison all the way down to I Street Southwest. We did this project in conjunction with road resurfacing work so that we could do two projects at the same time, both repairing potholes and upgrading the bike lane simultaneously. This allowed us to minimize disruption to the community and reopen the road sooner. Now, since this lane crosses the National Mall, this project was built in coordination with the National Park Service. This new bike lane also improves the views on the National Mall by removing the parking between Madison Drive and Jefferson Avenue. This project is an example of the Bowser administration's commitment to installing 20 miles of protected bike lanes by the end of 2022. We are excited about this upgrade on the 4th Street Southwest and the benefits it provides to those cycling in our city.